Dear friends, today I will discuss Section 80 of the Indian Patent Act or the Patent Act 1970. The title is Exercise of Discretionary Powers by Controller. And I must say you one thing, the meaning of discretion or discretionary is just, the literal meaning is optional or non-compulsory. Fine. And here I would like to say that Section 80 is well linked with Rule 129. Fine, and I will explain the section through my key points. So let us proceed. Without prejudice to any provision contained in this act requiring the controller to hear any party to the proceedings thereunder or to give any such party an opportunity to be heard, the controller shall give to any applicant for a patent or for amendment of a specification, if within the prescribed time the applicant so requires, an opportunity to be heard before exercising adversely to the applicant any discretion vested in the controller by or under this act, provided that the party desiring a hearing makes the request for such hearing to the controller at least 10 days in advance of the expiry of the time limit specified in respect of the proceeding. The simple meaning, or in short I can say, that the controller may provide an opportunity to be heard to the applicants if they request so within the prescribed time, and this he does before exercising adversely to the applicant any discretion vested in the controller by or under this act. That means the controller is vested with some discretionary powers. Okay, by that the applicant can be adversely affected. But before doing so, what the controller does, he provides an opportunity to be heard, opportunity to the applicants to be heard within a prescribed time. Fine. And also one thing you must keep in the mind, that the party desiring a hearing makes the request, that means he must make the request for such hearing to the controller at least 10 days in advance of the expiry of the time limit specified in respect of the proceeding. This much. And friends, I must say this section, that is section 80, is, we can say, you can find a link with Rule 129. So what is Rule 29? Sorry, what is Rule 129? The title is Exercise of Discretionary Power by the Controller. Okay. The controller has discretionary powers as per which he can hear any party or patent applicant if such party has requested for hearing at least 10 days in advance of the expiry of the time limit. Same thing is written here. Okay friends, so this way section 80 is completed. So please go through this video, please share my video among your friends, and please subscribe my channel. Okay friends, and if you have any questions, please write down in the comment box. Okay, and please like my video. Thank you so much.